Chair calls Leighton D'Antoni. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Chairman, members of the committee, thank you for your time and patience. My name is Leighton D'Antoni. I'm an assistant district attorney in Dallas County. For the past 8 years, I've been...
Sorry, just want to clarify for the record, you're testifying for HB 1940?
That is correct.
And on behalf of Dallas County Criminal District Attorney's Office?
That is correct.
Thank you.
For the past 8 years, I've been the chief of the Cold Case Division, which includes the Department of Justice's Sexual Assault Kit Initiative, or SAKI, program. Since 2015, through this SAKI program, which is the testing of untested rape kits in Dallas County, we have identified over 300 offenders. 85 of those offenders are serial rapists or serial killers. And what I think it's really important and has been spoken about on this bill is that this bill mission and the mission of my team in Dallas is to identify and prosecute serial rapists and serial killers. We are not talking about the single victim, he said, she said case. We are talking about the worst predators that we see out in society, the biggest threat to our community. I'm sure you know that, sexual related offenses, whether they be sexual assaults or murders involving a sexual assault component, typically in studies and have shown that these aren't, one-offs. These are people who are going to continue to commit this crime unless they are stopped. And this is absolutely one of the most important tools we can have to not only identify these serial offenders, but to stop them. And these defendants are still going to have all the safeguards and protections of the United States Constitution. And I know it was characterized earlier that, we're trying to bring in character evidence, but this is not character evidence. These are bad acts that are previously sexual assault related, that show a tendency and a pattern. We're not, again, talking about character. These are acts. Serial rapists are smart. They target the most vulnerable members of our community. Prostitutes, drug addicts, people with mental health issues, people that they don't think anyone's going to believe. And so that is why this is such an important bill, is that we have a duty to protect everybody. We already do it with children, but we should have equal protection of all sexual assault victims, not just children, but adults as well. And so this law will allow the state of Texas to identify and prosecute serial rapists, serial killers who for decades have been able to run roughshod over our communities, and it's time for stop. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony. We appreciate it. Thank you. Is anybody? Okay. Chair calls Lindy Barchard.